Kuringana na muikariri giti wa Green Africa Foundation Isaac Kalua, itua ria kugathika igoti ria gicunjĩ kĩa 13 harĩ igana kũrĩ gas rĩkuragĩrĩria thĩ makinya mothe maria makoretwo magĩkĩrĩrwo kũriũkia riri wa maria maturigicĩirie na gũtũma mũingĩ wanjĩrĩrie gũcoka mĩtitũ-inĩ kũmathangu nĩ thogora mwerũ wa gas.
Recently, through the finance bill, there was an addition of VAT on LPG, which we had already moved so far. Sasa tumerudi nyuma, tutaanza tena kukata miti because of the introduction of the VAT on this. Yet Kenya is that country that has already committed to the international community to reduce our emissions by 32% by 2030.
Ona muingi ukihinyagiririo yuki mutugo wa kuhanda miti iri thutha wa kurenga umwe kwambatira gwa thogora wa gas gutuma aingi ni maremwo ni guthingatithia mwerekera uyu.
Ni yule mtu ambaye hupanda mti akijua kwamba kivuli ambacho huo mti utakuwa naye ama utapata hataweza kujikinga. That you plant a tree knowing very well that the shade will not benefit you. It will benefit the generations to come.
It is very easy to bring down the cost of LPG in this country by bringing in people who can come in to add value from different parts of the country and investors in the best way possible. So I request that tuendelee kufanya hivyo as we make sense of what our commitment is, so that mwananchi, we bring the language of tree growing down to mwananchi.
Ataramu marauga Kenya ni yandikanire ngirimiti na urumwe wa mabũrũri na kuiguanira kunyihia uruti wa gasi njũru muthemba wa carbon monoxide na gicunjĩ kĩa 32 harĩ igana gukinyagia mwaka wa 2030, ũndũ ũrĩa waya kwa ukinyanira agikorwo thirikari ndĩkũingĩrĩra ũhoro wa kwambatĩrio kwa igoti rĩa gas.
Nafikiri ni vizuri sana kile wanachangia sisi kama serikali ya kitaifa, serikali za county, tuvichukue kwa hali ya juu, ndio tuwe tuna harambee ya kusaidia mambo ya environment na climate change and communities. Tumeambiwa mti ni mali and the communities, because this is a joint effort of all of us.
Hii ni mambo yanahusu the future of humanity. It's not a local problem, it is a global problem. It's a global challenge. So we must all close ranks and come together and work together.
Minister wa thirikari cia matura Eugene Wamalwa augite o county kuigirira tiri-ini na kumenyo makinya maria tacukiti hari gubacira maria maturigicĩirie, thirikari igĩtwarithagia na mbere ndereti ya kuongerera gicunjĩ kĩa mĩtitũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Tunataka tujiandae vilivyo ili Kenya nzima, all the 47 counties, tuweze kuja Makueni mwezi wa 8, na sio tu taifa la Kenya, tutakuwa na wageni hata kutoka kule nje, kule Europe, kule Amerika. Tunataka waje hapa tujionee vile tumejipanga.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.